Hey there fellow geeks, check out this brand new Rii i25 mini air mouse with keyboard. Riitek is an established brand. I've been using their stuff for years, and they are definitely improving from one model to the next. The packaging is modest and includes the air mouse, charging cable, instructions manual, and a USB 2.4 radio receiver. It's unfortunate this remote still uses micro USB port instead of Type-C. It's a shame that some manufacturers still make this. I like that Rii have attached a curious USB cable, which allows to connect the USB receiver and charge the device at the same time. This air mouse also has a built-in microphone, but I have not yet tested it. Once the USB receiver is connected to your PC, all you need to do is turn on the air mouse and it works straight out of the box. It's great that you can use the remote and charge it at the same time. In addition, it has an infrared transmitter and you can easily program it to control your TV or whatever. Overall, this is a great product. Not too cheap and not too expensive. It does what it's supposed to do without any issue. Stay in school.